Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your password on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your games. And here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your game library. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, and right here you're gonna find search. Here you're gonna find settings and your profile icon. So go ahead and click on settings. And then you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and accounts. And then once you're here, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, and so on. Go ahead and click on account. And then right here, you're gonna find sign in ID. From here, you can change your email address. Here, you're gonna find security, profile, payments and subscriptions, address, and communication preferences. Go ahead and click on security and then just wait for this page to load. And then once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find sign in with passkey. Here you're gonna find mobile question, security question, and here you're gonna find password. You can click right here on password, and from here you can change your password. As you can see guys right here, just enter your current password right here, then enter your new password and confirm it, then click on OK and your new password will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.